Hey guys, this is your friend Mainar from Civil Center and welcome all back to our channel and another video on estimation. So friends, in today's video, we'll see a very simple process how to determine the quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate or stone chips in M20 grade of concrete. In fact, if after watching the complete video, you will be able to determine the quantity of this materials in any grade of concrete. So without wasting time, let's get started. We'll discuss some brief concepts about it and to proceed with. So basically, we'll just discuss very minute details about this M20 concrete. So in this M20 concrete, this M stands for your mix and your 20 stands for your characteristic compressive strength of concrete in 28 days. Just ignore it. Okay, strength of concrete at 28 days in Newton per mm square. So this is the 20 is the strength of the concrete cube at 28 days in Newton per mm square. So this is the strength of the concrete. So we'll over with it. And now what is the ratio of this M20? M20 is the nominal mix and the ratio is predefined as per the IS code. And this ratio will be 1:1.5 is to your 3. So where 1 is your cement, 1.5 is your sand, or just note it S, and or FA, fine aggregate, or S can denote it, and 3 is your coarse aggregate or your stone chips. So this is the ratio which has been used in the M20 grade of concrete here. So now we'll calculate the weight volume. So weight volume is the concrete volume after the casting, which contains the water. So the weight volume is 1 meter cube. Okay, the dry volume, so this is an approximation. The dry volume is approximately, it has a range. The dry volume has a range, and based on this particular range we define the dry volume. So you can, if you multiply the particular value of the weight volume equals to 1 into 1.54 meter cube. So if you multiply this weight volume by 1.54, so you'll get the dry volume. So the dry volume will be equals to 1.54 meter cube. So this is the weight volume and the dry volume. So now we are going to find out the quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate. So just do the addition of the ratio here will be equals to, we can do that like this, 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, it will be 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, it will be equals to 5.5. So now the volume of cement, let's find out the volume of cement here, equals to your 1 divided by 5.5, because this is the ratio, 1 divided by 5.5 into your dry volume. What is the dry volume? 1.54 meter cube. Okay, so if you calculate this, it will come as 1.54 divided by your 5.5. So it will come as 0.28 meter cube. So this will be the volume of cement, and we know the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. Okay, so before that we need to convert this into kg. So the unit weight of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. We just write it here, unit weight of cement is equals to 1440 kg per meter cube. This is the unit weight of cement. So the weight of the cement here, this is the volume of the cement, the weight of the cement, just do this as weight WEIGST, weight of the cement will be equals to 0.28 into 1440. So it is kg per meter cube and this is meter cube, so it will be in kgs. So if we multiply this, it will be your 403.2 kg. So this will be the weight of the cement. Now the weight of the cement is found out. Now number of cement bags. So here we know, we'll just write this information also. Weight of one bag of cement equals to 50 kgs. So the weight of the one bag of cement is 50 kgs. Number of cement bag equals to 403.2 divided by 50, and it will be equals to, we'll calculate this, and it will be around 8 bags. So it is exact figure. If you want to know, it is coming as your 8.064. So let you can take as 8 bags for approximation. So 8 bags of cement. And now the volume of the sand. Let's find out the volume of sand here. Volume of sand, if we want to know. So this will be equals to, the ratio is 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 5.5 into your 1.54 meter cube. So the calculation will be 0.42 meter cube. Similarly, okay, this can be volume of sand or fine aggregate. Just fine aggregate. And if you want to know the volume of coarse aggregate, stone chips and coarse aggregate, it will be 3 by 5.5 and into 1.54, and the value will be your 0.84. So now we have found out the total volume of coarse aggregate in 1 meter cube. M20 concrete is 0.84, fine aggregate is 0.42, and cement is 8 bags. So why I have found out the cement quantity in 8 bags? Because cement usually comes in bags, and the volume sand comes in meter cube. Sand is procured by lorries, which has a capacity of 14 to 16 meter cubes. Similarly, same is the case of stone chips. So that's why we calculate the volume of stone chips in meter cube and the weight of cement bags in kg. So now, if you find out the total quantity of concrete which will be used in a project, you can easily find out what will be the total number of bags of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate. So if you learned something from this video, make sure you watch with your friends and share with them. Bye bye. Keep learning.